Hi, I'm Michelle. Oops, I'm Michelle.
I'm Jim.
From No Worries RVing. And today's video are some of mods that we are doing for 2022. The first one is we're going to add a sewer hose holder. We have the sewer hose holder that comes with the bumper of the trailer, but we want an additional one so we can carry two sewer hoses. Then the second one is
it's a little storage organizer for the bathroom, so we can store some toilet bowl cleaner.
It's a cargo net for a vehicle, but we're going to use it for that. And then the third one is we are going to replace the steps that we have, the heavy steel steps that are a pain in the butt to pull in and out. We're going to replace those with aluminum, right?
Aluminum, yeah, mostly.
So follow us, subscribe if you haven't already, and watch this video. Give us some comments, what you think. If you have any ideas, just let us know.
So we're going to do a quick unboxing. We bought the Valterra brand adjustable easy hose carrier. Adjusts from 50 inches to 94 inches. And our frame down there, it'll fit our frame. We bought the black one just so it looks the same as everything else down there.
Plus, God knows what the white ones look like.
Yeah, after a while.
Yeah, it'd be like brown or orange, depending on what part of the country you're in. Whatever, the mud and clay that it goes through.
So this is your instructions, real simple. This is one of the supports that you actually put on your camper's frame. So our frame goes this way, so we just screw it right up to the frame. And then this must fit inside of it somehow. Like if your camper had 3 beams going across, ours has only got 2. So we'll put one on here and one down there.
But if you had a third one, then you would have to glue.
You'd have to glue it, right. And this adjusts, slides out.
That's pretty simple.
Pretty simple, yeah.
So you just hook one side and then stretch it out to the other side.
Mm-hmm.
The hardware is self-tapping.
Yes. We'll screw it right to the frame.
Jim's got a bloody finger or thumb from today, but we're not really sure how he did it.
Probably just pulling the hardware out.
You mean you did it from the hose?
The hardware out of the thing.
Oh, is that when you did it?
Probably.
I didn't know when you did it, when you cleaned the air conditioner or... I just seen blood dripping from your thumb. This is when Jim needs 3 hands. I can see the screw. Is that bad?
Huh?
I can see the screw.
No, I know. It's got to go through.
Okay, I thought it was going to go through the other side. I hope it didn't move this way too far because it's going to hit that metal bracket.
Well, I like this how you said it's going to be easy to put this on. It's really easy to screw it on.
How easy is it, Jim?
Not that easy, but it's not bad.
It's not too bad. Did it just make any headway at all?
I don't know.
The fact that it just popped back out is probably not a good sign.
It's got a little hole started, but that's about it. Oh, I feel it coming through.
Huh?
Feels like it poked through.
I think it did. I like it when your leg goes up in the air for leverage.
2 more of these screws. It's a killer.
to spray paint in there, but I don't want to spray paint your head. That wasn't as hard as the last one. Just watch your head. You're about to hit the jack. One more.
Oh, battery's...
Huh?
My battery's dying.
It is?
Yes.
Is there another battery here?
Yeah. In the bag. I'm going to need it probably.
Where's your phone?
No.
It's done. Done. Finished. Yeah, the bumper looks pretty good in there. But yeah, I'm going to have Jim install this little handy dandy thing on the back here. I just realized I have enough room that if I wanted to add more, I could add another one there and one there, but I don't see right now any reason to. I just wanted this one little one. And you're going to have to come up with ideas of where to store stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, it's installed. Works perfect. Great place to have my toilet cleaner in there. I can even put an extra bottle of the Glaze Smelly pretty smell stuff. Yeah, air freshener. Was it pretty simple to put in?
It was fairly simple to put in, but they had 4 small screws that had really, really small heads. So they're kind of hard to get in there, but they were fine. I was using number 1 screwdriver.
Okay. What you doing underneath there?
I am changing how we're using this hose carrier.
What are you doing to it?
I want to extend it out so that you don't have to reach a foot underneath the camper to get it out, to get the sewer hose out.
So you're just going to make it a little longer?
Make it a little longer.
Okay, we'll show you when you get done. Is that what you want to do? Just show them when you're finished?
Huh?
Are you going to show them when you're finished?
Uh-huh.
Can you still strap that one there?
We're going to put that
Bracket?
Yeah, that bracket.
So you're going to make a bracket. What's the bracket going to hook to, though, that's going to be any power? There's actual strength there?
Uh-huh.
Can you
You don't have to have much because it's holding up here. It's holding up over there. And it'll have this here just be just a
Oh, you have a bracket there, too?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this bracket right here that comes with the hose holder, you have to glue this one on, but it'll stay. And then this one here, I'm going to put on my own bracket to hold the end steady. Basically just holds it steady. So but the two of them together should equal one of the other brackets. What I did, I took a couple of brackets that I made out of aluminum, just bent them in the vise, attached it to the bottom of the camper, and then attached it to the end of the sewer hose holder that sticks out to give us the support. So this is good and solid now. And the other sewer support is back here, and then there's one over there on the other beam. So supported in 3 places, and so it should be nice and solid.
And you don't have to reach back in to grab it.
Right, you don't have to reach clear back in a foot to grab it, the sewer hose. So it's out here now.
What we have done is we now have 2 sewer hose holders. We have one here, which is the bumper, which we're going to put one of our Rhino sewer hoses in. And then we have another one in the new holder. And the reason why we do that is because there's a few sites that we've been to where you needed an extension. And this one will fit in here.
Now,
Well, because we put the other adapters on it that hooks to the other Rhino. So this is perfect. We now have 2 sewer carrier hose holders. They both work, they both fit. Done. There is our second sewer hose holder. The first one is for the sewer hose, and then this one is for our fishing poles. It's a good place to carry the rods and the small reels, and nobody knows they're down there, and no one's going to mess with it because they don't want to find a sewer hose. There's where we keep the one sewer hose, second sewer hose, fishing poles. Hey, is there anybody in there? Hello? Hey, if you're in there, let us know. Subscribe, say a comment, give us a thumbs up. Does anybody hate their steps, like trying to put them in? I have a heck of a time. This part's not bad, but I always struggle with this. See? And eventually it goes in. So I thought about getting one of those that just flips up and puts it right in your camper. And that would be perfect. That's what I wanted. But this is the only thing I don't like about this trailer. Jim would wish that the bathroom was a little bit bigger, but I'm actually okay with that. The only thing I dislike about this trailer is this door. You can't open it any farther than this. So if you're camping somewhere and someone comes around the side, you got a blind spot. You can't see. So that was my first negative. But now that I wanted to get a step to fold in, I can't because this door mount is right here. So I either change the whole door or I go with a different type of step. We think we have a solution and we're going to show you that next. I think this is going to be our solution to the step. We just ordered this aluminum step. So we're going to install that and see if it works a little bit better. It's from Elkhart Tool and Die Corporation. Everybody knows Elkhart, Indiana is where all the trailers used to be the original place that most of the trailers were manufactured in Indiana. Now they're everywhere, but Indiana and Michigan used to be the main capital. So we are going to open this, except for I don't have a knife. Okay, let's open this up. Couldn't find a knife, but here's scissors. Ooh. Steps. Not there's any instructions in here. It's just a easy guesser. I don't see any instructions, but maybe there's somewhere underneath. Nope, no instructions. You just need to figure it out.
No instructions.
Okay, I'm going to go check our food. You want to go look at it? We are having pork loin wrapped in bacon. According to the probe, it says it's done. The end's definitely done.
Bacon's falling off.
Yeah, bacon's nice. Good.
Pulled it out of the box, and there seems to be no instructions whatsoever. No instructions, which I don't think we really need them. I think it just bolts on, which we'll find out here pretty soon.
There's our pork loin split apart.
Anyway, there's our pork loin for supper. So it looks like they just bolt on. We're gonna hope the bolts line up with the old one. We'll see. First step to replacing these steps is to remove the old steps. They're both 25.5 inches wide. So all we have to do is unbolt it up there. And hopefully the new steps will bolt right into where these were. So let's get to removing them. I have the steps out. There was 4 bolts with nuts holding it together, holding it up. And it looks like the new steps will just bolt right in. But these old steps are really heavy, and but it just came out real easy.
Oh, that hurt.
What'd you ask?
That hurt. I dropped the camera on my foot. Are the new steps lighter when you're carrying them
Yes.
compared to the old?
I mean, not much because they're heavy aluminum, but they're easier to operate.
Okay, cool.
That was the key for us. We just couldn't get them open and closed very easy.
I just dropped a tripod right on the top of my foot. Boy, does that hurt. Well, it's not a tripod. It's a
Selfie stick.
selfie stick with a mount.
Good. Okay. Easier to pull out?
Oh, 100%. The first step's a little bit of a step, but the other two steps are super easy.
I'll push it back in. A lot easier?
Yeah, and they're lighter than the other steps were too.
Okay, pull it out one more time. Yeah, that is a lot easier, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
All good.
Okay, we're good. So all we had to do here was take the 4 bolts out and bolt the new steps in, but getting the new steps in place, lining up the holes was kind of a pain. It wasn't that bad, but it was a lot harder than what you might think. Anyway, we call it a success. Everybody likes them. The other steps were kind of slick when it got frosty out, and these should be a lot better.
It has anti-skid.
Yeah, anti-skid plates, which are really nice, and they're lighter for sure.
Well, we hope you enjoyed our video.
It did take a little bit of time to do all this stuff, but these are 3 mods that just are things that just bugged us, you know.
Right.
So we wanted to get them done.
The steps were a pain in the butt of moving, taking it in and out. They stuck all the time. We never had enough room for an extra sewer hose, and it was kind of a pain. And it's a great idea what we did with the second sewer hose with the fishing poles. And then that cargo net, I just need extra space. Well, thank you again for watching. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button.
Thanks
Have a
for
great day.
Bye.